Hello friends, let us see another example. Let us say ninth question. So read the given question first. A wall with smooth vertical back and 10 meters height retains cohesion-less material with a horizontal surface. Okay, the cohesion-less material 4.91 kilonewton per meter cube has an angle of friction of 30 degrees. Again, they asked to what do you think? Direct question or not? Yes. Height of the vertical, how much is given? 10 meter. Okay. Gamma is given as how much? 4.91 kilonewton per meter cube. Angle of friction is given how much? 30 degrees. They're asking the pressure. Okay. See here, if you see the options. So let us find out. As they're asking about the pressure. So how to find the pressure? Ka into sigma V. What about Ka? If phi equal to 30 degrees, as of now we have solved so many. So directly you can say 1 minus sin phi by 1 plus sin phi 1 by 3 into. What about the vertical stress? Vertical stress is nothing but a 4.91 into 10, isn't it? So if you solve this, how much you are getting? So let me take a calci. 10 divided by 3 into 4.91. So we are getting around 16.36. Is there any option given that? So what they're asking the total active earth pressure. So if they are given total active earth pressure, that means what will be the unit? Your unit will be kilonewton per meter. So what about the pressure diagram? Just like this. What about the height? 10 meter. What about the active earth pressure here? 16.36. So what about the area? Half into 10 into 16.36. If you solve this, we'll get around 81.3. So what is unit? Kilonewton per meter. That means 81.3 per 1 meter length of a wall. So the correct option is C. So all these are direct questions. So if we can simply by heart this equation, then we can apply the, or we can easily find the so many problems. Okay. Thank you.